Every commercial kitchen produces grease, and if it builds up inside the exhaust system, it becomes a serious fire hazard. That's why restaurants are legally required to clean their kitchen exhaust systems under NFPA 96 fire safety standards. Over time, grease builds up in the hood, filters, ductwork, and exhaust fan. If it isn't cleaned properly, the entire kitchen becomes a major fire risk. Professional hood cleaning removes dangerous grease using specialized degreasers, high-pressure washing equipment, and professional cleaning techniques. Our specialized process ensures every inch of the system, from the filters to the fans, is thoroughly decontaminated. When done correctly, the entire system is restored to a safe, grease-free condition, meeting all fire safety requirements. Because every restaurant must keep their exhaust system clean, this service is always in demand, regardless of the economy. Many operators build six-figure cleaning businesses providing this essential service to local restaurants. At MFS Trade School, we train people how to safely perform professional commercial kitchen hood cleaning from the ground up. Our training programs teach the equipment, techniques, and business systems needed to start and grow in this industry. We give you the tools to skip the entry-level trap and build a business that is truly yours. If you're interested in learning more about this industry and how to get started, visit mfstradeschool.com.